Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2017 Ford Fusion SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, we got a backup camera, some nice chrome accents along the door, with blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and move to the front real quick, we do get that nice Ford grille. With this vehicle, you do get a powered trunk, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. Got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You can collapse your last row for additional storage, and you do get your storage underneath with your spare tire. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice beige cloth interior, plenty of door space with black accents along the door, floor mats with the carpet interior, you got 12 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, lights, and trunk opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 108,497 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your right-hand screen with your playback, play forward, phone, voice, mute, and volume, toggle for your left-hand screen over there, and cruise control. Looking here, we have display mode, trip and fuel economy, driving assist, and settings. To my right here, we do get our, let me see if I can get this. You will get your audio and other settings there. You do get your gear select, parking brake, hill, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets down there. Your center console with upper and lower storage, which is pretty nice. You got your climate controls up front here as well. Engine starts up, volume tune, media controls, hazards, storage below, and looking here we have our CD, music, radio, Sirius XM, media, you do get Bluetooth control, clock, phone, menu, and you can use these to go through all your different settings. We do get a number keypad on the right hand side as well, and shifting into reverse, you do get that nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE57786A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.